How to change location on your Amazon Prime Video just from your device right now in some seconds. So let's start this video without any further delay. Firstly, we just need to understand that if you want to change your location on Prime Video, you should change the location on the main Amazon website. So firstly, I will log into my Amazon account here on my browser and log in with my mobile number or OTP right now. As you can see, this is my home account. I will click on my account section on the right top of screen. I will scroll to the down, and here you can see you will have an option in the setting to change your country or your region on your account. Let me just click on the chat visit option, and you can open the Amazon app to chat with us with customer care, and you can tell them to change your country region, or you can understand that how you can actually do it. But the thing is, the main issue is you have to change the location on your main account, then it will be automatically changed on your Prime Video. Thank you so much for watching this video.